Good morning, traders. So here I'm going to talk about the Nifty's analysis and Bank Nifty's analysis for today, and then I'm going to talk about the support and resistance, basically the setup that we are going to deal with. And after that, I'm going to show you something that I have in my Telegram channel. So beforehand, I will explain you what happened the previous trading session. मतलब पिछले दिन क्या हुआ था? Actually, it was the market which gained to hit a fresh record high, and it failed to hold on to those gains due to selling pressure and profit booking in late morning deals, and closed lower on September 1. So today is September 2, and it closed below, like, it made a low and it closed below that low. So you can say that it's a very it was a very weak market yesterday. IT metals and select pharma stocks pulled the market lower. So this is what I wanted to say you, a recap of the previous trading session. Now, as if you go to the daily chart, matlab 1 day candle, so you can see here that the daily price action has formed a sizable bearish candle. However, it continues to form a higher high low compared to the previous session. Matlab, from this candle to this. So this is a bearish candle, and it's a very sizable candle. So on the downside, any violation of intraday support of a support zone of 17,050 levels may cause profit booking towards 17,000 to 16,950. Now, the next higher levels to be watched around 17,150 levels, and any sustainable move above 17,150 will lead to like a momentum towards 17,200 to 17,300 levels. Now, this is what I wanted to show you on the chart. Now, I'm going to talk about the support and resistance for today to trade in the market. Now, this is the setup that has been provided by Shruti Advisory and Consultancy, and this is the setup which you can do your intraday FNO trades on the index, even on Bank Nifty also. So, these are the two things. So the first resistance is 17,075 to 17,087, and the second resistance zone, actually these are the zones. So 17,131 to 17,145, and the third resistance zone which we are having on the setup is 17,211 to 17,225. Now on the downside, 17,000, sorry, 16,992 to 17,009 is a good support, and it is the first support zone. Below that we have 16,908 to 16,924. Now if something changes with the price action or something happens to the setup, there may be situations where an abrupt price action shows and is coming up, so we will be informing you in the Telegram channel. If you are not in the Telegram channel, then please join the Telegram channel. Later in the video, I'm going to show you what is the channel name and how can you can join it. So let's talk about the Bank Nifty. Like, as Bank Nifty was on a flat trading range yesterday, so for today also, I think the Bank Nifty will be flat or at the same at the same as Nifty also. There is no that much negativity and that much positivity also. So if you see that 16,145 to 16,273 is a good support zone. Above that, 17,043 to 17,000, sorry, 37,043 to 37,175 is a good resistance zone. Now above that we have another resistance zone, that is 37,557 to 37,708. Now going to the downside, we have the second support zone, 35,568 to 35,709. I think for Bank Nifty, I think there will be a little bit of volatile, because as you see there are some changes in the margin and everything else. So things can be very like a little bit volatile. So even though that there is volatile, that doesn't mean that you are not going to trade, because volatility is the blood of a trader. So if you are on the right track, you will gain your points easily rather than on a range bound and a flat market. So I think 37,000 043 to 36,273 might be the range for today. And on the Nifty's, this first resistance and the first support, sorry, second resistance and the first support is going to be the range of today. Now, talking about the Telegram channel which I have, so you can see here that this is the Telegram channel. I provide many calls there. It has been provided by Shruti Advisory, and on behalf of Shruti Advisory, I provide the calls on the Telegram channel. So as you can see here, that there was a call on Asian Paint, and it was I think it was given at okay, so it was a buy at 86, and it was with a target of 96. It went there, and below there are many other calls also. Now this was the Bajaj Finance call, and then you can see here that there are some other stocks also. Now, this was a picture of the chart that we are showing here. This is the second resistance, and I think here, if you see, this is the first resistance. Now, after this, I think I showed you that either the market is going to go up from here or then down. So 17,215 is a good, kind of, it was the level which we were looking for. If it has to go up, then we would have gone up, and if it has to go down, then we would have gone down from here. Now, I think I gave a call here, so it was a buy at 68 and 70, and target was 80.85. It was achieved completely because you will be able to see here. Okay, so it was achieved. Okay. There are some other calls also where we hit the stop loss also in the Bank Nifty 36,700 PE. There was a stop loss. Now I think this what to say, this PE went to, I think, 139. It gone beyond, but you just need a bucket of water, not the ocean, to have a bath in it. So this is the channel name, Shruti Advisory and Consultancy. You can go there, search the channel, and you can join it. And the more you join it, the more informations you get here, the more the things that I wanted to share, you can get here. So here are some margin rules that I shared also at the same time, like how it is going to happen, and what are the things that you need to know. And I said many of the guys that here are some pharma stocks or Tesla stocks, whatever the informations I get from the advisory, I share it here. So I see you in the Telegram channel. That's it for today. If you are liking the video, then please share it and like the video. At the same time, please join the Telegram channel to get more updates about the videos and everything.